Paper rustles in the breeze. Words of you come back to me. Ink still shines through time so thin. Your voice returns within the wind. The lamp glows low on dusty keys. Old letters hum their melodies. Your name still sings on every line. A memory that won't resign. Saxophone breeze deep and slow, carrying words from long ago. Letters in the wind tonight, drifting soft in silver light. Every tear, the pages new, flows back home to me. The record plays, the curtains sway, the years just quietly fade away. I read your voice between each line. The past still feels like you are mine. Through the window, shadows spin. Whispers call the night within. Love once lost now finds its way. In letters time can't fade away. Letters in the wind remain like sweet echoes in the rain. Folded dreams and hearts that bend find their song again and letters fly, and so do I. Smoke curls slow in amber air. Your scent still lingers everywhere. The jukebox hums a soft refrain. Old love songs call your name again. Each note drifts like whispered wine. Memories caught between the lines. The night unfolds in silver hue. sound reminds of you. The trumpet sighs, the bass is low. Our story plays in afterglow. Echoes through the smoke remain, love like fire, soft but plain. Through the haze I see your face, lost in time and sweet embrace. Piano hums a gentle cry. The rhythm fades but won't say goodbye. Shadows waltz across the floor. The past still knocks upon the door. Replay what we've once known. Every chord a quiet plea, every rest eternity echoes through the smoke tonight. Guide me softly toward your light. The song of love won't fade away. Smoke drifts slow, echoes stay. Morning light through silver haze, soft and slow the record plays. The storm is gone, the silence stays. Love still hums in quiet ways. Your coat still rests upon the chair. The scent of rain still fills the air. Coffee brews in amber glow, and memories rise soft and slow. Saxophone begins to sigh. The world awakes, the tears run dry. Every drop that kissed the pain spoke your name and eased my pain. Window glass reflects your eyes. Gentle truth, no more disguise. Each note falls like gentle grace. I again. Love remains beyond the rain. Every chord a quiet vow. Forever starts from here and now. Morning after rain, so true. Skies of gold, remember you. In the calm I find my way. Love returns with light today. Morning shines, the rain is gone. Candlelight upon your face. Time slows down, the world's embrace. Every flicker, every hue draws me gently close to you. The night unfolds with tender grace. Your shadow dances in this space. The record hums a sweet refrain, and I find you there again. Saxophone in smoky glow tells me things I used to know. Candlelight promises remain, softly whispered through the rain. Love's not lost, it only hides in these gentle endless tides. Velvet curtains, shades of blue. Every dream still leads to you. The organ hums, the trumpet weeps. Love awakens where it sleeps. Shadows drift and hearts align. In this glow, your hand in mine. Every flame a vow we keep. In the silence, love runs deep. Candlelight promises tonight. Guide us softly through the night. When the dawn begins to show, our hearts still softly glow. Candlelight. Moonlight falls on satin floor. Footsteps linger by the door. A final glance, a whispered sigh. Goodbye drifts beneath the sky. Your hand still warm within my own. The night hums low, we're not alone. The record spins its gentle cry, a song that knows we'll never try. Saxophone breathes slow and blue. The stars all bend to comfort you. Moonlit balcony, goodbye. No more tears left to cry. Love remains though time may fade. In this glow our hearts were made. Curtains sway in silver hue. The breeze recalls the scent of you. Each note soft as falling rain whispers peace instead of pain. Every chord a gentle plea, every sigh eternity. Though the dawn will steal the sky, love still breathes where shadows lie. Moonlit balcony, goodbye. Underneath the pale blue sky, when tomorrow finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Moonlight fades, but love remains. Sunrise spills on rosy sky. Shadows fade the night goodbye. Golden haze through window pane. Love awakens once again. The coffee steams, the record plays. slow our quiet ways. Your eyes reflect the morning blue. Every ray belongs to you. The saxophone breathes soft and low, melting where the heartbeats go. Sunrise over our hearts tonight, chasing darkness with its light. Every tear the night has cried turns to gold here by your side. The organ hums a sweet amen. Morning breaks and love again. The world isn't new yet, still the same. I whisper softly your dear name. Through the light our dreams remain. Hearts reborn beyond the rain. Every note the dawn can sing holds the hope the morning brings. Sunrise over our hearts again, over our hearts again, washing away the night's old pain. In this glow of soft delight, our love lives in morning light. Sunrise shines, we begin anew. Evening glow on window glass, time returns, the moments pass. Old cafe hums a mellow tune, two hearts meet beneath the moon. Your footsteps sound through golden light, the years dissolve in velvet night. The trumpet sighs, the record spins, and something old begins again. The saxophone hums soft and deep, echoes waking from their sleep. Evening reunion, tender and true. Lost time fades when I see you. Every tear, each silent plea, finds its rest in harmony. Your laughter glows through candles' flame. Love returns turns without a name. The organ hums, the rhythm slow. The years have taught what hearts now know. Every breath a sweet reprise, reflected in your gentle eyes. In this light of golden hue, the past feels new with you. Evening reunion, hearts align. Notes of grace through mellow wine. Every chord we used to play still belongs to us today. Evening fades, but love will stay. Midnight glass reflects your eyes. Silver moon in velvet skies. Every breath a gentle sigh, whispers love that won't deny. The record hums, the curtains sway. Time stands still, the world's away. Your shadow dances next to mine in rhythm slow, in sweet design. The saxophone begins to weep. In its tone our secrets keep. Midnight glass reflections gleam, echoes of a golden dream. Every shimmer, every tone leads me back to love I've known. Your laughter hums like candlelight, softly glowing through the night. Each note played on faded keys carries warmth on midnight breeze. Through the haze of time we drift, hearts aligned in gentle lift. Every tear a star that glows, every chord the truth it shows. Midnight glass reflections stay, guiding dreams that lose their way. Even when the night is through, every gleam still shines for you. Midnight glass, forever true. Fingers dancing on the wall, vinyl whispers through it all. Needle spins a love once told in a glow of amber gold. Your coat still hangs behind the door. The air remembers what we swore. Each groove plays the sound of then and brings your memory back again. The trumpet hums a smoky line. Our song still breathes, though lost in time. Shadows on the vinyl play, echoes of our yesterdays. Through the static, soft and true, every note still calls for you. The night returns in shades of blue. Every sigh reminds me to the radio hums its gentle tune, and love drifts like the fading moon. On the floor, each one sung forevermore. Every groove a dream we spun. The record plays our hearts as one. Shadows on the vinyl stay, even as the dawn turns gray. Spinning slow